Welcome to Bionics Scientific Technologies, a trusted unit of Cartel Projects Private Limited. Today we are introducing our new product, Glove Box. This is mini anti-chamber. Open the door from here. Add your tools here and close the door. This is mini inside chamber door. You can collect your tools here. This is anti-chamber. Open the door from here. Add your samples in this. Then close the door. This is inside anti-chamber door. Here you can collect your sample. This is our power indicator. This is our on-off switch. This is chamber light on-off button.
This is anti-chamber pressure gauge. This is mini chamber pressure gauge.
This is vacuum pump. This is vacuum tray. This is vacuum pump hose. This is our flow meter regulator. This is regeneration gas. This is working gas. And this is exhaust gas. This is vacuum pump power cable and connect here. This is DN40 4 feed throws. This is alarm buzzer. There are two trays inside this chamber. You can adjust them according to your need. This is HEPA filter. Also there are two HEPA filters inside this chamber. This is one power board with 110 to 250 volt power supply. H2O parameter in showing ppm. O2 parameter in showing ppm. Gas pressure in showing PA. First connect the working gas here. After connecting the sensor, H2 parameter showing 1000 ppm. Tap system control, go to settings, and this is circulation parameter settings. We have already done the setting here. Just go back and start it. Here is system settings. Tap here. We have already done the setting here as well. Tap the manual button. Go to system control. Tap on anti-chamber settings. We have already done the setting here of vacuum timing, pressure balancing timing, number of cycles. Press start and then after completing 3 cycles, it will automatically start purging. After purging, open the door and collect your samples from here. Go to vacuum pump and tap here. Rotate the nozzle. This is mini chamber. We need to purging this 3 times like this. The actions are recommended for customers to operate 3 or 5 times. For more info and if you want one for your setup, feel free to reach out us on our email ID, that is info@cartelprojects.com or info@bionicscientific.com. And you can also visit our website, that is www.bionicscientific.com. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe our YouTube channel for more such videos.